We are solving advanced trinomial factoring made simple. Before, this method was hard to solve these. We will call the first coefficient as a, which is 4. The second coefficient is b, which is negative 11. And the third constant, we're going to call it c, which is 6. So we are using the big X and box method. In this method, we multiply the a and c and we get 24. Remember, it's the first coefficient and it's the last coefficient that you multiply together. Now we take the middle coefficient, which is b, and negative 11. We have to find factors that will multiply to be positive 24 and they will add or subtract to be negative 11. Look at the end term, which is positive 6, and the middle term is negative 11x. So we have to make sure that our factors have to be both negative. It's only the negative factors that will multiply to be positive 24. And they will also add up to be negative 11. 24 is easy to factor, so we should know right away that our factors are going to be 8 and 3. I have already explained to you why these factors should be both negative. So now negative 8 and negative 3 will multiply to be positive 24 and they will add up to be negative 11. Now that we have our factors or the magic number, we will use these in the box to get our final factors. The first box will have the first term, 4x squared. The last box will have the last term, which is 6. In the second box, you can either put negative 3 or negative 8, doesn't make a difference, but do add the x to it. Box 1 and box 2, and we have to find what is common in those two boxes. We found 4x to be common in the first two boxes. Now we have box 3 and 4, and we found negative 3 to be common in these two boxes. In box 1 and 3, x is common. In box 2 and 4, negative 2 is common. Now we have all our factors. This square is also called a Punnett square. Our final factors are 4x minus 3 and x minus 2, and we can write it in any order. We can write x minus 2 first and then 4x minus 3 later.